Hello, Wildcats. We are here today with our very first Tuesdays with Tosh, and opening it up today is our summer maintenance crew. And who do I have with me today?
Kurt Miller.
And Ryan Fricky.
Going on here today?
Yeah, we're turning one of the locker rooms into some offices for physical therapy and occupational therapy and whatever else they need it for.
It looks like you guys are framing, maybe putting in some flooring. When is this project, or when do you see this project wrapping up?
Hopefully by the end of the week, we should be out of here and on to the next thing.
I know you guys do this every summer. What are some other large projects that you guys have completed in the past?
So we've done a handful of projects. There's been the timing shed that's out by the track that our track team uses in the spring. In addition to that, last summer we were here a lot redoing the MH classroom, which again, also a locker room that we've turned into a pretty nice classroom as well.
I know there's more than just you guys that are on the summer crew. Who are some of the guys that we're missing today?
Yeah, we're missing Jeremy and Matt Knoll. They're on a special mission today. And we also have Chris Berger and Craig Kendrick that are doing doing some painting and some miscellaneous projects. Mr. Philippes helping out with Nate Maley doing whatever they do. And so, yeah, it's a good crew.
I see you guys working all over the district. And I know you guys give up your summers in order to work for the district to make these projects. Why? Why would you give up your summers?
Well, I think the great John Phillippe said it best, and we do it for the camaraderie, and we enjoy the people that we work with. But more importantly, we do enjoy to give back and make things a little bit better for the schools and for the kids.
Well, I appreciate you guys giving up. I know the district does as well. You guys do a lot of things around the district for very low cost and make sure that we're ready to go every year when we open up the school. So I thank you guys, and that's it for today. And as always, go Wildcats.